What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install apps on your Android TV without downloader. Now recently I found out that some people have been complaining that they do not have the downloader app just as it is over here on my Android TV. So basically in this video I'll be showing you two ways you can download and install any app on your Android TV without the use of downloader. Now for the first method, basically what you want to do is to go ahead and download and install the apps APK you want to install on your Android TV using any browser on the TV. So first things first, you want to make sure that your Android TV is connected to the internet, and once that is done you want to come over to the app section of your Android TV. Then go ahead and open up the Google Play Store and download any browser you want from the Google Play Store. Personally, I like to use the TV Bro browser. So on your Google Play Store, come over to the search bar over here, and then at this top search bar you want to go ahead and search for TV Bro. It's a very popular browser and we are going to be using it to download apps into our Android TV without the use of downloader. Now before I finish typing, you can literally see the TV Bro browser over here, so make sure you download and install this browser into your Android TV. Mine is already downloaded and installed, so I'll go ahead and open it up directly from here. Now once the TV Bro browser loads, you want to come over to this search input field, that is the Google search engine over here, and then go ahead and search for the apps APK you want to install into your Android TV without downloader. So take for instance, I want to install the Facebook app into my Android TV. I'll go ahead and search for Facebook APK, and once I'm done, I'll go ahead and click on this enter button over here. Now the TV will search the Google search result and give you websites where you can actually download and install the Facebook app APK or any app you want to install into your Android TV. Now at this point, you just want to scroll down and look for any of the reliable websites you can actually get that app APK you're looking for from the Google search result. In this case, since we are downloading the Facebook app APK, we are going to select Facebook over here, which is definitely the official Facebook website. And once it opens up, you want to go ahead and click on the download button on that particular page, and automatically the Facebook Lite app APK will start downloading into the TV Bro browser. Now at this point, what you just want to do, from the top of the TV Bro browser, you want to navigate to the download icon, which is basically this icon over here. Go ahead and select it just like so. To see the progress, you can literally see the Facebook app APK we just installed. So I'll go ahead and select the Facebook app APK over here, just click on it, and the installation process has just started. Now if you're using the TV Bro browser for the first time, you're going to get a pop-up asking you to give the TV Bro browser permission to install apps from unknown sources into your TV. Just give it that permission and you'll be taken back to the TV Bro browser. Click on the Facebook app APK again and you'll be taken directly to this page where you can now install the Facebook Lite APK. So go ahead and click on install. Now give the TV some few seconds. And now the Facebook Lite APK has been downloaded and installed into our Android TV. Now you can go ahead and open it up directly from here. And now we have the Facebook app running smoothly on our Android TV without any issue. You can literally see it works absolutely well. Another way to download and install apps on your Android TV without downloader is to basically download and install the app into your phone and then send it to your Android TV and then install it on the TV. For this, what you want to do is to come over to your phone and then head over to your browser. Now on your browser, you want to go ahead and search for the app APK just as we did on the browser on the TV. So basically you want to go ahead and search for the app APK you want to install into your TV. In this case, the Facebook app APK once again. And then at this point, what you just want to do is to look for any of the websites you can actually get the Facebook app APK. In this case, I will select the official Facebook website over here and then make sure I download this Facebook app APK into my Android phone. Now you can also do this for your iPhone as well. And once the app you want to install on your Android TV is done downloading on your phone, what you want to do next is to head over to the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone, and then you want to go ahead and search for the Send Files to TV app. It is actually a very popular app and is available on both iOS and Android phones. So just go ahead and download and install this Send Files to TV app over here, and then just open it up on your phone. Now you also want to make sure you download and install it on your Android TV as well, and you can get it from the Google Play Store. Just head over to the Google Play Store app and then make sure you download and install the Send Files to TV app. Mine is already downloaded and installed, and that is why you can basically find it over here. You can just go ahead and open it up directly from here. Now click on OK, and once you're in this page, the next thing you want to do is to just click on the send option from your phone, and then go over to your downloads folder where you just downloaded and installed the apps APK. In my case, it is under here, and then just search for the apps APK you have downloaded and installed into your Android phone. Scroll to the bottom, you can literally see the Facebook app APK over here. So I'll just go ahead and select it, and then select the name of my TV over here, and automatically it will start sending to my Android TV. And once it is done, you want to scroll down here and click on the app we just sent to our Android TV, then click on the open button. And again, if you're using the Send Files to TV app for the first time, you're going to get the prompt to give the Send Files to TV app permission to install apps from unknown sources. Just go ahead and enable that permission for the Send Files to TV app, and then come back and click on the install button at the bottom over here. Remember, you can go ahead and do this for literally any app you want on your Android TV without the use of the downloader app. Now what you just want to do is to scroll down here and then click on open to open up the Facebook app. And just like so, we now have the Facebook app running smoothly on our Android TV, and we didn't install this app using the downloader app. And that is basically how to download and install any app on your Android TV without downloader. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.